Hello, if you want to learn marks in Neovim, maybe the first thing you do is to go to the help and search for the mark section. You have a lot of documentation here, but the truth is that you don't know to know all of that. You just need to know three things. How to set the marks, how to see the marks, and how to go to that mark. If you don't know what a mark is, you just place an indicator or a mark in a part of the code, and you can go to that code anytime you want. So how to set a mark? You just type M and a uppercase letter. Then you can see the marks using the marks command, and then you can go to that mark using the single quote and the letter. Let's do an example. First, I want to go to this line of code, so I press M and uppercase letter, in this case Q. Then I am in another place and I want to go to that part, so I press single quote and the letter. And if I want to know all my marks, I can do the marks command. And that's it. Maybe you won't need any more. So let's do it again. I want to go to the line 25, so I press M and an uppercase letter. Maybe I am in another file. If I press single quote and the letter, I go to that place. And if I want to see the marks, I just do the marks command. That's it.